The 2026 BMW X1 brings a refined yet sporty design that blends compactness with premium SUV character. Its exterior shows sculpted body lines and a confident stance, with a modern reinterpretation of BMW's signature grille and sleek LED headlights that give it a bold road presence. The proportions feel balanced, tall enough to deliver the SUV look and utility, while still compact enough for city driving and easier parking. With attention to detail in its exterior styling, the X1 projects a contemporary, sophisticated vibe that matches its premium badge. Interior. Step inside the 2026 X1 and you are greeted with a cabin that punches above its size. The interior design reflects BMW's focus on modernity and comfort. A sleek dashboard with a curved display, integrating both a digital instrument cluster and a central touchscreen, gives the cockpit a clean, high-tech look. The materials and finishes are well chosen. The cabin offers soft touch surfaces, tasteful trim options such as wood or aluminum accents depending on variant, and ambient lighting that elevates the atmosphere for daily driving or longer trips. Seats are comfortable and supportive, and though this is a compact SUV, there is a sense of space and practicality suitable for small families or couples. The rear seats fold down in a flexible split configuration to expand cargo capacity, making the X1 more versatile for groceries, travel luggage, or weekend errands. Standard comforts include features such as dual-zone climate control, heated front seats, and a power liftgate. Optional features like a panoramic roof add to the premium feel and open-air ambience. Performance. Engineering on the 2026 X1 balances efficiency with responsive driving dynamics. Available powertrains deliver a level of peppiness and refinement appropriate for a premium compact SUV. Transmission is smooth, and BMW's chassis tuning gives the X1 a stable, poised ride quality, enough to handle city streets comfortably, yet composed even on longer highway drives or winding roads. The steering and suspension feel appropriately calibrated, agile and manageable around town, but stable and controlled when pushing speed or taking corners. For those seeking a sportier edge, the more powerful variants push performance a bit further while still preserving X1's everyday usability. Fuel economy remains reasonable for its class, especially in lighter-duty driving, making the X1 a balanced package for those who want both luxury and practicality. Safety features. BMW outfits the X1 with a solid set of safety and driver assistance features to ensure confidence and security on the road. Standard safety systems include automated emergency braking with pedestrian detection, blind spot monitoring, lane departure warning, and rear cross traffic detection. Parking sensors and basic assistance aids also come standard, helpful in urban driving and tight parking situations. For those wanting more advanced safety and convenience tech, optional packages add adaptive cruise control with lane centering, more comprehensive driver assistance suites, and 360-degree camera systems. Combined with BM's integrity in build quality and structural engineering, the X1 aims to deliver reliable protection and peace of mind for occupants in regular commuting or family use. Market position. The 2026 BMW X1 sits in the premium compact sub-segment, targeting buyers who want SUV versatility without moving up to a large, heavy, or expensive full-size SUV. It competes with other luxury small SUVs, but BMW positions X1 as the entry-level gateway into its X-Series lineup, offering a good balance of brand prestige, build quality, modern features, and manageable size. For urban dwellers, young professionals, small families, or anyone seeking a small footprint car with luxury leanings, the X1 offers a compelling alternative to larger SUVs or sedans. It leverages the BMW badge and experience to give value where many compact SUVs focus only on practicality. Conclusion. The 2026 BMW X1 brings a well-rounded package, sophisticated design, a modern and comfortable interior, competent performance, respectable safety credentials, and a smart market positioning. It manages to retain the charm and driving feel associated with BMW while adapting to the practical demands of everyday life, city driving, family chores, weekend escapes. If you're searching for a compact SUV that delivers premium feel, daily usability, and brand heritage without the bulk or cost of a large SUV, the X1 stands out as a smart, balanced choice.